Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have another candy review for you without any makeup because I didn't feel like putting any on. Kit Kat Key Lime Pie Limited Edition. Crisp wafers and key lime pie flavored cream, naturally and artificially flavored. Alright, let's tear this bad boy open. I don't know when these came out, but I saw them today at Walmart. And was like, I want to get one. Oh, it's already pre-cracked. I don't know how that happened. That's what it looks like. All right, let's get to tasting. I already smell it. Oh yeah, it smells like Kit Kat without chocolate, but key lime. I could definitely taste that lime. I thought I was tasting a little bit of graham cracker in there, and I looked on the wrapper, and key lime pie has graham cracker crust, so it definitely does taste good. I'm not normally a lime kind of person. I wouldn't go out and be like, oh, I need to buy me another one of these. But if someone handed it to me, I'd be like, thanks, you know. I have to get me a drink of water after I eat this. If you're a fan of key lime pie, I would say go and get you one. Or if you're even just curious about it, try it. You're not going to regret it. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Just remember, do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to do candy reviews while birds are chirping at nighttime, I think it's like maybe almost 5, it's 4 something in the morning, I don't know. Just have fun with it. If you're going to build houses for a living, just have fun with it. Also, if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing and then hitting that little bell for the notifications, that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, morning, day, whatever, everyone.